Greetings everyone, this is Immaculate from IMA Recreation, Traditional Games Revival Initiative. We are back with Mankala variety of games again. There are so many games to cover and today I am going to cover the game contributed by Reshma Sharma. This is called Holava Hannu. Thanks to her, we will document that game now. Again, most of you has asked me to cover only one game in one video. So I am going to do that, but still there are a lot of small variations which I would like to at least mention. We will see how it goes. Now it is Holava Hannu Ata. Again, it's a Mankala variety of game. There are 7 holes this side, 7 holes that side, and 4 seeds each. Okay, one player, second player, first player starts, and it is played like Mankala, meaning where it ends, take the same and continue. Okay, and the objective is to collect only 4. Whenever you get 4 on your side, you collect. That is the only objective. Okay, so where it ends, take the same and continue. Where it ends, again in Mankala variety, if it ends in a hole which is empty, then your turn stops. Then opponent's turn, opponent plays, opponent takes and distributes it. Where it ends, take the same. Okay, so it is very simple game, even children can play. Again opponent's turn ended. Now my turn. So I'd like to collect 4, so also get a empty one also filled. That's why I selected this. Where it ends, take the same. Where it ends, take the same. See, now I got 4 on my side, I collect it. So that is the only thing you have to collect. So whoever collects more, they are the winner. So my turn got over. Now it's the opponents. So obviously they may not take 1 or 2, so that they will like to cover more. So opponent takes this, thinking that it is ended in 2. So we ended in more. So take the same and continue. So if you look at it, the strategy becomes slightly different. And whoever collects more than 7 4s, so opponent got 1 4, they will be the winners anyway. And because if you get 7 7, then it will become equal. So it ended in 3. So opponent got 1 more 4. It ended here. Opponent got 2 4s, I got 2. Now so far equal. Opponent got 3. Very good. So it's still the opponent's turn, still keeps going. It ended in 2. I got 4. So I collected it, so they cannot take further and go. So now my turn. I don't want to disturb them, so I want them to become 4s. Oh, then if I take that, I will get opponents more 4s. So I will just do this. Let us see. I collected only 1 4. So the strategy is you try to collect more and you try to give as less as possible to the opponent. So suppose they just do this and collect their 4. Now I have no other option. I have to split it and give it to them. So opponent got 1 more 4. My turn got over. So now opponent's turn. Obviously they will try to collect more 4s. So it looks like opponent is the winner. They got these 2 4s. So now my turn. I just convert these 2 into 2s. Then opponent's turn. Opponent convert this into 3. Then my turn. This became 3. This opponent's turn. They just do this. My turn. I just do this. Opponent's turn. They just do this. So it is to them. So when this side is empty, then whatever is my side, it's mine. Okay, so we will try to fill it again and see. 4 3. So it looks like opponent is the winner. 4. Correct. See, I got 1 less. So opponent is the winner. So this is Holava Hannu game for you guys. I will just tell you the variations. Then if you want me to cover them separately, I will cover. And if the same game you play as Pallanguli Aduguli Mane, there is a variation in South India where you put 4 4 or even 5 5 and where it ends, take next and play. I hope you all remember that variation. Suppose I have 5 here, then I take this and play. Everywhere 5 assume. Where it ends, you have to take next and play. And in this game also you can collect 4. And unlike Pallanguli, where it ends, you have to take next and play. If you can't take next, your turn ends. So try to play it like that. So that is one very simple version of Pallanguli. Adugudi Mane also played. There is another variation. This is the game which we are going to see in detail in subsequent weeks. Wari game of South Africa. It has only 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6. And play the same way like how I played Kolavahannu. Where it ends, take the same and play and collect only 4s. Okay. So that is one variation, and in this there are few twists also, because when you continue, if you have more, then you don't put in the hole from where you took it and all that, and how you play the second round is also different. So these are all Kalavahannu, we have seen it in detail thanks to Reshma, and we have also seen one Pallanguli variation and one Wari game variation. You please let me know if you want to cover them in detail or you understood. Okay, please do give me feedback whether you want to cover only one game in a video or multiple games. Please do follow for more such games. Thanks, and bye, Immaculate.